Wake Spoiler Installation Tutorial. Spoiler installation. To begin installation, remove the trim caps on both sides. Next, remove the 3 plugs covering the central holes in the helmet. Then carefully align the 3 central anchors of the spoiler with their respective holes. Apply even pressure until the spoiler is firmly seated in the center of the helmet. Finally, press the side ends to insert the protrusions into the side holes, thus completing a solid and secure attachment.